Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for interior designers, the portfolio. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned pro, a standout portfolio is key to attracting clients and showcasing your unique style. Let's break down how to build a successful portfolio that truly represents you as a designer. So why is a strong portfolio so important? Well, think of it as your visual resume, your calling card, and often the first impression you make on clients or employers. Your portfolio isn't just a collection of projects, it's a showcase of your design story. A well-crafted portfolio can demonstrate your style, build trust, and set you apart from other designers. Let's start with defining your brand and audience. This is foundational. Take a moment to think about your unique design aesthetic and what sets you apart. Are you focused on modern, minimalist spaces? Or maybe you specialize in sustainable design. Knowing your style and audience helps shape a portfolio that resonates. Next, quality over quantity. Choose a handful of your best projects, ideally 8 to 12 pieces. You want to showcase a range of work that highlights your skills, versatility, and design style. Remember, every project in your portfolio should align with the brand you want to project. Each project in your portfolio should tell a story. Include a brief project overview, your role, the design process, and if possible, the challenges and how you solved them. This gives clients insight into your approach and shows them that you're not only creative, but also problem-solving. For example, imagine a modern loft renovation. You're the lead designer, balancing industrial elements with cozy, warm touches. Through thoughtful lighting, reclaimed materials, and a clear narrative, you showcase your ability to transform spaces. High-quality visuals are a must. Invest in professional photography if you can. Beautiful, well-lit photos elevate your work and make your designs shine. Before and after photos are a fantastic way to showcase transformation, and close-ups highlight the finer details. Now let's talk digital. Creating an interactive portfolio, like an online portfolio or even a website, can make it easy for potential clients to explore your work. Platforms like Behance or your own website allow for easy sharing. 3D renderings or virtual tours can add an immersive touch. Clients love to see how you think. Include sketches, mood boards, or material samples to showcase your process. Dedicating a section of your portfolio to how you approach each project can show clients your creativity and attention to detail. Don't forget client testimonials. A few words from satisfied clients or endorsements from professionals you've worked with can build credibility. It shows potential clients that you not only have a great eye for design, but also deliver a positive experience. Consistency is key. Use a cohesive layout, clean design, and make navigation easy. Avoid clutter, let your work shine. If possible, consider working with a graphic designer to polish the overall look. Your portfolio is a living document. Keep it updated with your latest projects and remove outdated ones. A refreshed portfolio shows growth and demonstrates your evolution as a designer. Be prepared with both digital and print versions of your portfolio. A digital portfolio is great for sharing online, but having a high-quality print version can be helpful for in-person meetings. Creating a strong interior design portfolio is all about telling your design story. By focusing on quality, authenticity, and professionalism, your portfolio will not only showcase your talents, but also open doors to new opportunities. So take your time, curate thoughtfully, and let your work speak for itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more design tips and inspiration. See you next time.